सो हम उडुपी के ट्रिप का लास्ट करने आए हैं कारावली फिश फूड पे, और ये है मणिपाल में। सो हम लोगों ने पॉम्फ्रे फिश सब ट्राई कर लिया है। सो वी थॉट ऑफ ईटिंग समथिंग स्पेशल। सो हमने ऑर्डर किया है गोभी मंचूरियन ट्राई। देन वी हैव ऑल्सो ऑर्डर क्लैम्स with in oyster sauce. Then we have also ordered chicken gassi with ghee dosa. और हम और भी ऑर्डर करने का सोच रहे हैं, बट मैं सोच रहे हैं कि ये खा के देखते हैं। This place is very nice. It's bang on the main road to Manipal. Max जो शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स है उसके जस्ट ऑपोजिट में ही है, और डोमिनोज पिज़्ज़ा उसके जस्ट रोड के अदर साइड पर है। सो देखते हैं कैसा रहता है खाना। टाइम हो रहा है 8:10। सब्सक्राइब किया नहीं किया अभी तक, कर लो यार। सो हमारा फर्स्ट डिश आ गया है गोभी मंचूरियन स्टार्टर, एंड दिस इज़ 1 फुल गोभी। और मैं पूरे ट्राई करेगा वही बहुत अच्छे से क्रिस्पी हो रखी है, और बड़ी गोभी है बट फिर भी पूरा क्रिस्पी है। टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्टनेस नहीं आया अभी तक। इट इज़ गुड, इट इज़ गुड। मरवंती इज स्टिल माई फेवरेट, दिस इज सेकेंड वन। So our next dish is here, तो ये है Oriental style clams with oyster sauce. This is going to be my first time when I'm going to have clams. So let's try. Let me have the bigger one. Yeah. So what they have done is there is a Shimla mirch है, spring onion है, normal onion है. So let me try the broth first. Oh, it's hot. It's nice. सूपी टेस्ट है, बट बिल्कुल भी मतलब सूपी का पतला नहीं है, गाढ़ा है। One more. छोटे हैं तो से मुँह बना के सब करने का करो। दिस अमेजिंग। ओरिएंटल वर्जन की सॉस की वजह से जो टेस्ट आ रहा है वो बहुत अलग सा है। थोड़े छोटे हैं, द फ्रेश, इट्स नॉट चूई एट ऑल। स्वीट तो नहीं है, दैट इज फॉर श्योर। ऑल इन ऑल इट्स अ गुड वन, यू शुड ट्राई। This is empty and this is full. So our next dish is chicken gassi with ghee dosa. Chicken gassi बिल्कुल भी चिकन करी की तरह नहीं है। मसाला बहुत ही लाइट है बट फ्रेग्रेंस है, अरोमा है मसाले में। एक खास बात चिकन मुझे जो लगी ना कि अगर मैं उसको हाथ से ऐसे पीस करने की कोशिश करूँ तो नहीं हो रहा है, विच विल गिव यू अ फॉल्स सेंस दैट थोड़ा सा हार्ड होगा, चुई होगा, बट द मोमेंट यू पुट इट इन योर माउथ यू डोंट हैव टू टेक मच ऑफ एफर्ट। सो चिकन खाने का हमारे पास में नॉर्थ में क्या होता है, तंदूर रोटी चिकन के साथ में थोड़ा सा गाढ़ा है तो ठीक है, या फिर रुमाली रोटी। वेस्ट में अगर महाराष्ट्र में है तो फिर आप ये समथिंग, बट यहाँ पे ghee डोसा में कोई टेस्ट नहीं उसका, क्योंकि न्यूट्रल है। इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग वेरी वेल विद चिकन लस्सी। आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई पीपल प्रेफर whenever they are having थोड़ा नॉन ग्रेवी वाला जो भी मीट है, चाहे वो फिश हो, प्रॉन्स हो, चिकन हो, मटन हो, विद नी डोसा ओनली, विच इज गुड एक्चुअली. फाइन ऑर्डर कोकम शरबत नेचुरली का टेस्ट करना तो बनता है. नॉर्मली लोग कोकम शरबत का लगता है बहुत मीठा बना देते हैं, ये बिल्कुल मीठा नहीं है, जो हल्का सा हिंट आ रहा है स्वीटनेस का. इट्स वेरी नेचुरल. सो मैंने तो गलती से 7 अप मंगवा ली है, कोकम ट्राई कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है. After having this tasty dinner, we had a detailed discussion with the restaurant owner and the chef of this place, Mr. Madhav Shetty.
For Indians, we give only clam sukka,
Okay.
like that, local, typical local preparation. Because she asked for some sauce. She asked
The
for
coriander and lemon
That
sauce.
We use for steamed fish.
Yes.
Okay, we steam the fish.
Yes.
We have a fish tray. I will show you.
Okay.
One second. Probably we get it here for the customer. This is a trap. Trap is like, Yes.
Yes, my chef.
Oh, this is live crab you have.
Yes. There is a squid. This is called ladyfish. This is called silverfish. Okay. And this is called crocus. What you had.
Yes.
Okay. This is the only one present in India. Like we bring the fish to the table.
Oh,
Live fishes, all fresh, deep fresh.
Yes,
It's not fish.
yes,
Yes.
very fresh.
Yes.
Okay, all fresh only.
Very
This
nice.
is the snappers.
Yes. Understand.
Okay, this is called here is called poker. This
Okay.
is squid,
Yes.
and these are the prawns.
Yes.
Oh,
big
big
prawns.
size. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Okay, this is the pomfret what we serve.
Yes.
This is which fish?
Squid. This is the snapper.
No, no, a snapper, right?
This snapper, right?
Okay.
Here in the local language it's called
Yes,
eri,
yes.
emmeri, like that.
Okay. When you started here, writing Udupi?
2013.
2013.
It was there in Pune before.
Oh,
I started in Pune.
Pune,
Viman Nagar.
Vimannagar. Yes, yes. Very nice. So, what makes you shift from Pune to here?
So I shifted with my family. Oh. There in good and for 7-8 years.
Okay. So that's how. So, okay, you're from Udupi.
Udupi.
That's nice.
I was in Pune for 26 years.
26 years. Oh my God.
How it happens, right?
Yeah.
Like we were in Pune, he was also in Pune, but we are
never-
meeting here in
Yes,
Udupi.
in Udupi. And so, do you?
No, I have so many customers from Pune. So many.
Yes.
In Bombay, some guests from Goa.
Okay. So whenever they come, to
Yeah, they
Udupi-
come here.
Nice, very nice.
So do you have still the restaurant in Pune?
No, no, no.
No.
So how it all started? How did you find the passion of like, because I saw you cooking yourself.
Yes. When I was 5 years old, that time I was in my grandfather's restaurant.
Okay.
It was a small veg restaurant.
Okay.
Veg means South Indian.
Okay.
We used to make appa. Appa means a small
Yes,
appa
yes,
like
yes,
that.
we know.
Yeah. That time it was for 5 paisa. One appa for 5 paisa. And I was small. For 1 rupee we used to give 20.
Oh.
From that time I have started.
So how
slowly I worked with the, your small Udupi restaurant. Then I joined the 5-star.
Okay.
Okay. From Blue Diamond.
Okay.
Started with the Blue Diamond. That
Blue
time it was
Diamond
a
in
Kirloskar
Pune,
property.
right?
Pune,
Yeah,
yes.
94.
Yes, yes.
So that time it was a Kirloskar property.
Okay.
Then
Yes.
it became Taj.
Taj property.
Yes.
Yes, Taj property.
The food is lovely.
Food is very tasty. And this is the first time I had.
Different preparation.
Okay.
Not only local, they have some Oriental, some Indian. Okay, mixed cuisine, limited.
Limited.
But
Yes, that's how it
this
should
is
be.
especially you use for steamed.
Okay.
Okay, most of the people like here masala fry
Masala
and
fry.
tawa fry.
Yes.
But only for the local. If anybody comes from outside, I suggest them to go for a steam.
Steamed
Try
fish.
one.
Yes.
You don't use any single drop of oil for the steam.
Okay.
You just
Oh.
put salt, pepper and lime for the steam, and then we give a sauce on top.
Okay.
There is a mild sauce, there is a strong base sauce. There's some chili basil and some oyster and
feeling hungry again.
Yes.
lemon coriander kind of a sauce.
So where you learn this all different preparations which are not like South Indian preparations while working there?
Pune.
In Pune.
Pune.
I
Okay.
am not a now I am not a South Indian. I am a Pune. Maharashtra.
So many years you have spent there.
Whenever comes to whoever comes to Maharashtra, they speak in Marathi.
Yeah.
Yes, we heard your Marathi is very
Very
nice.
spicy there. He orders some crab and all once in a week or thrice a month like that. He ordered today.
Okay.
He liked the food. He called me for that only. It was very good.
Nice.
So we saw a picture of you.
Abdul.
So
He is a vegetarian. He is out in Pune.
Okay. So he came at the hotel.
No, hotel. It's outdoor catering.
Outdoor catering.
You cook the food always?
I only prepare basic masala and all. I only prepare.
Okay.
Okay.
But staffs are there to assist me.
Okay. So whenever there is a rush, still you cook.
I be in the kitchen only all the time. I don't come out normal. Only any guest, special guest come only taking the order. I used to come out.
So, thank you so much sir, for your time.
Really
It's
tasty.
We have two types of crab. There is one sea crab also. This is a
This is a fresh water.
What is the difference?
Fresh water. It's a backwater.
Creek.
Here we don't eat fresh water seafood.
Okay.
Yes, sorry. Fish.
Fish.
Fresh water
Yes.
fish. We use only fish and backwater. Backwater is attached to the sea.
Sea,
only.
yes,
It's
yes.
a creek. Which
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thanks, sir. Thanks.
And it was really, it's an honor to meet you because it was such a great food. Thank you so much. If we come again, we are definitely going to come.
We'll surely come back.
Surely come back. Thank you so much. देखो ये जहाँ पर जो भी लिखा हुआ है ना, शेफ must think like a scientist, organize like an accountant, inspire and motivate like a warrior, move like a track star, plate like an artist and cook like a grandma. All these things matches what Sarah has shown us. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and please share your thoughts in the comment section.